In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch downloaded videos on Safari. Whether you're using an iPhone or iPad, these steps will help you easily access your videos. Let's get started. Once you've successfully downloaded a video using Safari, it's typically saved in the Downloads folder within the Files app. This is the default location for Safari downloads, making it easy to find your files later. To begin, open Safari on your device. Look towards the top of the screen, near the address bar. You should see the Downloads button, which looks like a down arrow. Go ahead and tap on that button. You'll see a list of your downloaded files. Find the video file you want to watch and tap on it. If it's in a supported format, the video will open and start playing right away. This is important because Safari supports various formats, but not all. Now, if you prefer to watch your video directly from the Files app, here's what you need to do. First, open the Files app on your iPhone or iPad. Once inside the app, tap on Browse at the bottom of the screen. This will show you different locations where your files are stored. Navigate to iCloud Drive and then tap on Downloads. If you've changed your download location, tap on My iPhone and then Downloads. Find your video file in the list and tap it to play. This method is useful because it allows you to manage your downloaded files easily. After that, if you'd rather watch your video from the Photos app, you can save it there. Start by opening the video in the Files app again. Then tap the Share button, which looks like a square with an arrow pointing upwards. A menu will appear. Tap Save Video from this menu. Once that's done, open the Photos app. You'll find your video saved there, ready to watch anytime. This step is optional, but it offers a more integrated viewing experience if you frequently use the Photos app for media. Now let's address a common issue. If the video won't play, there might be a few reasons. The format might not be supported by your iPhone. To resolve this, try opening the video in a compatible video player app. There are many apps available on the App Store that can handle a wide range of video formats. Additionally, ensure that your download completed successfully. An incomplete download can cause issues with playback. Here's a little tip if you're having trouble locating your downloaded video. Sometimes it might seem like your video has vanished. In that case, check your device's settings. Go to Settings, then tap on Apps, followed by Safari. Look for Downloads. This will show you the exact location where Safari is saving your downloaded files. This is useful because it helps you understand where to look for your files in the future. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly watch your downloaded videos on Safari. Whether through the Files app or the Photos app, remember, knowing where your files are saved and how to access them makes your viewing experience much smoother. Thank you for watching, and happy viewing.